Would you like to include a turntable animation of your model or assembly in your presentation? Would you like to create different animated views but don't have an animation designer license? I will show you an alternative option available to you. Start with the isometric view. You can, of course, choose any other view or create a new view according to your requirements. Display the WCS or press the W key. Although the WCS is becoming less and less important, it is still needed to control and orient the views. Via Tools in the Utilities group, select the option Orient WCS with CSYS of current view from the More drop-down menu. You are now looking perpendicular to the XY plane of the WCS with the Y-axis pointing upwards. If necessary, zoom out the view. Add this view to the model views and rename it. If you want to save your own zoom factor, right-click in a free area in the graphics window and select Orient View Custom Views and set the radio button to Saved in the View Scale area. Save this state in the view. Now the first rotation of the view by 90 degrees follows. To do this, go to Menu View Operation Rotate and select the rotation around the Y-axis. Confirm the rotation with OK. Repeat this process for 3 more rotations so that you have a total of 5 views. Tip: use the list of recently used commands. Create animation. Create an animation using the following path: Menu, View, Display, Create Animation. In the dialog, you must first give the animation a name. Add it to the list using Add Copy. First, use Frame 0 to assign a view to it. The assignment is done by right-clicking in a free area of the graphics window. Navigate to Orient View, Custom Views, and select the first view created from the list. Now define the keyframes. For this, each frame must be assigned a name and a number of steps. The number of steps controls the interpolation that the system adds between the previous and the current frame. Frame 0 is the original frame, which you cannot delete or move. After assigning the view to a frame, it must be updated. In this way, create 1 frame per view so that you finally have 5 frames defined. Confirm the dialog with OK, and then display the preview of the animation. You can then export the animation as a video or record the preview using streaming software to achieve better results. Include the video in your presentation or show the animation in your next meeting.